Welcome to our review. Today, we're diving into a product that every aquarium owner should consider: Aqueon Aquarium Fish Tank Water Clarifier, an 8-ounce solution designed to tackle cloudy water in your fish tank. We discovered this product online, and you can find the link in the description below to check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Aqueon Water Clarifier? In simple terms, it's a liquid solution that helps clear up cloudy aquarium water, making it crystal clear in no time. Cloudy water can be a nuisance, often caused by suspended particles and debris that make it difficult for your fish and plants to thrive. This product works by binding those particles together, allowing them to be filtered out more effectively, resulting in a cleaner and healthier aquarium environment. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Aqueon Water Clarifier. First and foremost, it quickly clears cloudy water, which is a game changer for aquarium enthusiasts. The way it binds suspended particles together allows for easier filtration and removal, so you won't have to deal with murky water for long. This is especially beneficial if you have a busy schedule and want to maintain a clean tank without spending hours on maintenance. Another important feature is its safety. The Aqueon Water Clarifier is safe for freshwater fish and plants when used as directed. This means you can have peace of mind knowing that your aquatic life won't be harmed while you're working to improve their environment. Many fish keepers worry about the impact of cleaning products on their fish, but with Aqueon, you can rest easy. Improving water clarity is essential for the overall health of your aquarium, and this product excels in that area. It causes fine particles to settle or become trapped in filtration systems, which is crucial for maintaining a visually appealing tank. A clear tank not only looks great but also ensures that your fish and plants are living in a more optimal environment. Nobody wants to look at a cloudy tank, and with Aqueon, you can ensure that your aquarium is always looking its best. So, who is this product suitable for? Aqueon Water Clarifier is ideal for both beginner and seasoned aquarium owners. If you're just starting out and may not have extensive experience with tank maintenance, this product is user-friendly and straightforward to use. Even if you're a seasoned pro, having a reliable clarifier on hand can save you time and effort during routine maintenance. Let's explore some practical use cases. If you've recently added new fish or plants to your aquarium, you may notice that the water gets cloudy due to the disturbance in the substrate. Using Aqueon Water Clarifier right after you introduce new inhabitants can help clear up any cloudiness. Similarly, if you've done a water change and the tank appears murky, this product can quickly rectify the situation. Another scenario is during regular maintenance. If you find that your tank is looking less than pristine, just a dose of this clarifier can restore clarity. The easy-to-use dosing cap makes it simple to apply the right amount, with a recommended dosage of just 5 milliliters, or 1 teaspoon, per 10 gallons of water. This means you can quickly and efficiently treat your aquarium without any complicated measuring processes. In conclusion, the Aqueon Aquarium Fish Tank Water Clarifier is an essential tool for anyone who wants to maintain a beautiful and healthy aquarium. Its quick action, safety for fish and plants, and ease of use make it a top choice for both beginners and experienced aquarists alike. Thanks for watching. If this